I wanted to do a quick review. I'm really impressed. I'll show you why here in a couple seconds. This is the organic bamboo cutting board from the Greener Chef. Still in the original wrapping. There's quite a few really cool benefits to this that I'm very anxious to check out to show you what you have here. There's a nice little branding, marketing strip around it, and then it's very well sealed in plastic wrap. So first I'm gonna cut this open, give you a feel for the quality of this cutting board. And there's a number of reasons I got this, which I mentioned I'll show you in a second. Quite excited to be opening this right now. And it's very difficult to open with one hand. Part of the reason I got it, I'm a real health nut, and a friend had told me about this, and it looked like the ultimate cutting board. So when I touch it, I can just feel the quality. It's a lot sturdier than my other cutting boards. It's got all these little details in it. It has a little water, I don't know if you call that trough or what you would call that, so that fluids don't go all over the counter. When you're cutting lettuce or items you've just cleaned, it might be a little wet. And it's made from bamboo. It's natural materials, which makes me feel a lot better about cooking and preparing foods than some of these other ones. So let me point that out. This is part of the reason I bought this. So this is one of my plastic cutting boards. I'm a health nut, as I mentioned. I'm all into like the paleo diet and every new dieting fad, raw foods diet, all that stuff. I'm all about that, but I feel a little guilty because I would use something like this. You know, I'm trying to run on a budget. And I hate this. I don't know if you can see it. This is a plastic cutting board. You can never get these things clean, no matter how hard you try. You put them in the dishwasher, you scrub them, you do everything you can. They always seem to stay dirty. Another thing, I swear it's dulling. This isn't the fanciest knife, but it's a nice knife. I swear it dulls my blades when I cut on it. So I think I'm just going to pitch this thing after we're done here. This is another one. I bought this at the store. I really thought it would last. It is a wooden board, but the quality just isn't there. It's chipped on me after a little bit of use, and it's just, I don't know. It looks kind of like it has some character to it here, but the quality is very poor. It tends to crack and didn't really hold up. So that's why I'm excited to be trying this board. There's quite a few things, as I'd mentioned. I think these are a little more sanitary. I'm pretty sure of it. And it's a lot nicer to be working on a natural surface as opposed to a junky plastic synthetic surface where you could be getting all kinds of chemicals and things. So that's why I'm so excited to try this. And right now, I'm going to try it with you in front of me. I'm just going to take off the, I don't know how to get that off with one hand. Actually, I do. Got a knife right here. So I'm going to open this up. Don't do this. I was in the Boy Scouts, but they said never to turn a knife inwards towards yourself. I was cutting inside my blood circle, as they call it. It had taken my totem chip away from me. Let's continue here. I have an orange. You gotta love my ladybug rock. An older neighbor lady gave that to me. And I'm now going to try and cut this orange with one hand on the board here and see how it works. I almost need to hold this camera in my mouth. But right there we have it. There's a little bit of juice that came out on the board, and it appears to be staying on the surface. And as I cut, I don't notice that it's scoring or anything. This is a very sturdy wood. I don't know if you can really see in there. Just running the blade back and forth, put my nail across it. I don't even notice any grooves in there right now. as hard as I try, I'm not even scratching the board. So I'll try and cut this again. Ooh, that's hard. Don't recommend this at home. But yeah, there I've cut that in half again. So I'm going to eat myself an orange. I'm pretty excited about this board here. I'm very impressed with the quality as well. I'd highly recommend you to check it out, give it a try. I'm sure that you won't be disappointed if you purchase a couple of these for your kitchen. Maybe one that you can use, you set next to your sink where you prepare your foods, and another one you put away that's clean, and you just kind of swap them in and out. That's what I actually did. I bought 2 of them. I have another one over there right now. So I hope you find this little review helpful. I've really enjoyed this. My other one I've had really good results with, so I thought I'd make a video for everybody to check it out. And this is kind of what it's stacked up against in terms of quality from the other cutting boards out there. These definitely don't recommend that. If you want to get something really cheap, you're going to get what you pay for. This is another wooden board, but it's just falling apart everywhere. And this appears to be a real quality cutting board. I'm sure you won't be disappointed.
Make food preparation easy with the Gorilla Grip Original 3-piece cutting board set. Our boards are larger and thicker than most brands for long-lasting quality. The durable rubber border helps keep the board in place on smooth, clean surfaces. The boards are dishwasher safe, making cleaning a cinch. We hope you enjoy your cutting boards from Gorilla Grip.
This love that you never started, you once destroyed a broken heart that was already shattered, holding on to what